So I'm going to show you how to use the magic eraser tool on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So let's go to your gallery and find one photo you might want to edit, like this one. So let's say you took a photo like this and you decided you didn't want people to see your 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque. So what you need to do is just simply tap on edit. And once you tap on edit, you want to select actions from the menu below, and it should see your magic eraser tool. So you can tap on that and then give it a couple of moments. And then now it's going to tell you tap or circle or brush to erase. So I'm going to circle over that item like that, and it's going to get highlighted. And then I can tap on erase, and I'm going to allow AI to do its thing and erase that from the photo. Once it's done, it will show you what that looks like, and it has done an amazing job. Okay, so what you need to do now is tap on this check mark to save that photo. Okay, if you don't like the job that's been done, you can tap on the back button and then exit out of there. Thanks for watching, and good luck.